Hi, today I'm running Galaxy A54 5G and I'll show you the fingerprint scanner test on this device. So I just set up my fingerprint to the scanner here a couple of minutes ago, and now I'll make a couple of tries to unlock the device with my fingerprint just to see how fast this feature is and does it works. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So as we can see, the fingerprint scanner works here fast, correct, and we just successfully unlocked the device. But to unlock it, you should just keep your fingerprinter for on the sensor a little bit longer. Now just with a simple touch it, you should just hold it for a while, and after that you will just successfully unlock the device. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.